Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, we have another Dooney and Bourke unboxing that's out of the box already. But y'all, this is my first Sydney satchel. It is one of one, so it was the only one on the website, I guess. But I want to open it up and see what it looks like, if it's as pretty as the picture was. We are about to see. So it is steel blue / marine, which is odd because steel blue is much lighter than marine, but we'll see. Sydney satchel 1 of 1 with a ship or date of November 22nd, 2024. Let's see, y'all. And welcome back to all of my subscribers, as well as my new subscribers. And if you are not subscribed, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. But thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate you all. And I enjoy reading you all's comments as well. Oh, ooh, y'all. This is pretty. I see why it says marine. Okay, so it's Saffiano. And it has, it's still blue, but it has marine trim. That tells you how much I looked at the picture. Oh my god, because once you order like a 1 of 1, something like this, the picture's no longer there. So unless you screenshot it, you're not going to get to see it until you see it in person. The glazing is even blue. This is pretty. It says still blue. It kind of reminds me of my denim satchel. But the silhouette is much different here. It's much wider here. So it has a different silhouette to it. But I'm loving this trim. Oh my goodness. And the zipper pull is blue too. I like this, y'all. I haven't even looked inside, but this is very different. Like, even look around. See a little ashiness here. But even look around the metal plate. It has the darker blue there. So this is pretty. Let's take a look inside, y'all. And it has a zipper on the back as well. Zipper pocket back here. Blue marine. Still blue marine. So I'm wondering if this is an older satchel or if it's one that they're planning on releasing more of. But I'm loving this contrast with the light blue and the darker blue. The marine and the steel blue, because it's even here, like the glazing being blue. That is so pretty. I really didn't expect that, y'all. I'll have to see if I can find a picture like in my email on the receipt. I really thought that the whole satchel was one color. But that is pretty. Y'all see that? Very different. I like the wide opening on the top of it. Does come with the dust bag. So I'm wondering, was like this like an old return or what? has a good side inside. And I don't think this coat has Saffiano. Unless that's just what the S is for. But usually it says SAFF for Saffiano leather. But on the front side, just a full slip pocket with the light blue or steel blue trim. Then on the back side, I'll drop it off in there. The back side has a key keeper. And that authentication label is there. A slip pocket. And a zipper pocket. Stick your registration card inside. But this is very pretty. I would probably say that this is one of my most unique satchels. As far as with it being two-tone. And the silhouette of it. Like I have dome satchels, but I don't have any with this arch. With the arch that goes like that. I did have a What TF. And it has the DB on it. So I do have one of those. I believe it's a Sydney satchel. But I think it's a little bit smaller than this one. Completely different color. And I think it has the leather on the corners as well. And it's coated cotton. So for this one to be Saffiano. Uh-oh. Y'all look at this zipper. That's not something that Dooney and Bourke does. That's why it felt funny when I pulled it. That's interesting. Yeah, I've never seen that on a Dooney and Bourke zipper before. So, that's questionable. Is this one that they like, went back over it or something? Or what? I wonder, is this something that they wasted on it? Now, y'all. We're taking a closer look. That zipper surprised me. Looked like they wasted something on it. So this was probably an old return or something. I don't know if it's like deodorant or what. But this really got me. I didn't expect that. I have not seen that on a zipper before. That's not normal Dooney and Bourke hardware. Even like for older. And then the metal on the zipper pull is more silver versus the zipper being gold. And look at this one. So you don't have that on this zipper pull. Interesting. Yeah, this may be like a refurbished is not the word I'm looking for, but it's in the family of that word. Reconditioned. It's a pretty bag, but this is gonna bother me. That's gonna bother me, and the zipper is gonna bother me. Well, y'all, the excitement went from 100 to excuse me, almost zero really quick. Well, it was fun. But it's not looking good for the Sydney satchel. It is so pretty, but the zipper is and I'm scared to try to get this stain out. I have not seen stained Saffiano leather before, so maybe that's why it did not have Saffiano in the code, but it looks like Saffiano leather. Can you all see that? Oh well. Let me know what you all think. Is this a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Yeah, that's a I don't know what's going on right there. But it's a very pretty bag. It doesn't really have the firmness that Saffiano usually does as far as keeping its shape. As you can see, after I stuffed it, it kind of lost its shape, which is not like Saffiano. So this may be like an experimental bag. I don't know, but I'm not excited about it, y'all. But I hope you all liked this video. It was pretty short, sweet, to the point. And I will see you all in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.